Morning, I'm posing as Mr. Clean to give you some clean ideas about a way to make a clean deal here at the Oak Creek Home Center. So this morning what I want to do is I want to feature to you one of our premier homes, the Smart Cottage. I'd love to tell you a little bit more about it, take you inside for a tour. So if you'll join me, come on in and we will get started. So the home is produced out of my Fort Worth factory and it is available in several different configurations. You can either get it in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, or 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The home features a 8-foot covered porch here on the front. The porch swing is already added in here. We've got the steel rebar rails that go around this porch, which is really, really nice. As you can tell, on a bright sunny morning, this is a great place to hang out. They've done an open front, which I think is real attractive. And you'll see here in the ceiling that this home is already wired and braced for a ceiling fan. We're going to step inside, get out of this wind, and try and show you a little bit more of some of the smart features that are included in this home. So when you come into the home, listen to that sound difference. Man, what a difference that makes. So this home has a really pretty kitchen setup, full-size appliances, full-size cabinets. It's got the vaulted ceilings all the way through. And then I'm going to step around and, well, first I'll show you a little bit about this living room. There's plenty of room in here for your furniture. They've done a feature wall here with the 3 higher windows so you can have freedom of furniture placement. And then this home just really is super cute. Got the island here. And if you've got desire for some natural light, we've got these big, tall windows here in the living room, nearly floor to ceiling. And then it goes up into the transom windows that are overhead with this tower vault. You'll see the vents are in the ceiling as well. Gives you a lot of freedom for your furniture placement. The ceiling fans are pre-installed, and they are controlled here on the wall. Instead of having the pull chains, here on the wall, you've got the fan switch that adjusts the fan speed, and then you can run the lights. Now, we talked a little bit about some of the smart features, and so I want to show those to you. Here at the front door, one of the smart features they've done in this home is they've put an adjuster so your mini blinds are inside the glass, so you don't have to worry about that getting dirty. But you can also move this little slider, and it changes the door from a glass panel, or from a shaded panel to a full glass panel. You slide that back, and then you can even open the blinds that are on this door so that you can bring in a little bit of extra light. So it's super, super cool. The home is done. Another smart feature are the 2-inch mini blinds that are in here. They come standard with the home. These are weighted mini blinds. So to raise them, you just simply take and lift up, and then the blinds will hold, or you can pull them down. There's no more of the little strings that you have to pull to try and get your window blinds open. Another smart feature in the home is that the home is done with no carpet. So you've got the wood plank flooring all the way through the home. So it's ease of care. You don't have to deal with the carpets. This is all 1/2-inch sheetrock, all 2x4 frame wall construction, all the way through the home with wood baseboards. Wood crown molding goes all the way through the house. And another thing I want to show you that I think is a really cool feature is this right here. I'll come back to you and tell you what this is in just a little bit, but it's bright and shiny, kind of like my head this morning. And I want to tell you how that functions as one of your smart features in the home. The home does have GE appliances. You can choose stainless steel or black. Dishwasher's already installed. You've got additional storage here in the island. But look how nice this front living room looks. Just really a really cute home. Be a great mother-in-law apartment, recreational use, people that are looking to downsize or get to the right size home. These cabinets are done with wood cabinet doors, wood cabinet styles, and you'll see that they have adjustable shelves on the inside. You get to choose all of your colors, including your backsplashes. This is a ceramic tile backsplash that goes all the way around the home. And it goes all the way up here behind the range. This is a smooth top range. And you do have the option to choose if you want to have gas or if you want to have electric. This is another look at that tower here in the living room. And we'll step back through the bedrooms and kind of show you what those look like. Now, the one that we've got here on display is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the guest bedroom. We've put a few of the extra close-up materials in here, but you'll see that the baseboards, window trims, all those wood features go all the way through the home. Your crown molding goes all the way through. Vents are in the ceiling so that you've got the freedom of your furniture placement. Coming back down the hallway, you've got the back door here that features that adjustable mini blind inset. And then in the master bathroom, the primary bathroom, they've done a ceramic tile shower. And this is a 60-inch tile shower. You get to choose the type of tile that you put in. We've added a 2-door linen cabinet above the commode. The commodes are the elongated commodes with an option to go to the high-rise pedestal with the dual flush. And then you've got china sinks, metal faucets, ceramic tile backsplash, and a framed vanity mirror, which really is really nice finish. Then in the primary bedroom, back here in the back, again, you see that wood plank flooring that goes all the way through, really attractive. You've got, again, a lot of that crown molding, good-sized closet. The closet rods in here are done with the wood shelves and the wood rods. And you do have an option on this floor plan here in the primary bedroom where that window reflection is. If you want to put a second door out and have a second porch added off of this bedroom, you can do that. These ceilings are vaulted all the way through the home, so you've got a lot of volume that's available to you. But coming back up through the hallway back into the primary living area, kind of show you this little piece again. So this is one of the smart features that's in the home. And what this is the solar shield, the Solar Tech shield that goes on the roof decking. So what they do is that they install this up on your roof deck, and that foil coating that's on here actually is a reflective material that will help keep the infrared rays and the heat out of the attic space, making your home more energy efficient, lowering your utility bills. This home is the Smart Cottage, the Mockingbird. We have it here on display at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene at the Oak Creek Home Center. We would certainly love to have you come out and take a tour. Let us show you this home and many of the other smart features that are presented in our smart cottages. These have been really popular. Hope that you'll come out and give us a little bit of your time today and have some fun this afternoon. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. You can reach us at 325-480-0035. We'll be here all day in costume, in character, ready for you to come out and get some information on our homes. Thanks so much for joining us. Stop by at 1210 North Clack or give us a call, 325-480-0035. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.